In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Hostinger hosting access with a web designer or developer. This is a quick tutorial designed to help you enable collaboration on your website while maintaining control over your hosting account. First, you'll want to navigate to Hostinger's website by typing hpanel.hostinger.com in your web browser's address bar. Once there, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. This is where you'll manage all the key settings and shares for your hosting account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page. Here, you'll see an option labeled Account. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Account Sharing. This section of Hostinger's user interface is dedicated to managing access for additional parties, such as web designers or developers, allowing them to help manage your site. Next, you'll be greeted with an option titled Grant Access. Click this button and you'll start the process of empowering someone else to help manage your hosting account. Now, you may notice there might be another Grant Access button. If so, simply click it again to move forward in the process. This system ensures you're confident about sharing access with another individual. Next, you'll need to type in the email address of the person you want to share access with. It's crucial to double-check the email address to ensure it's correct. Sharing access with an incorrect email could accidentally provide control to an unintended person, something we definitely want to avoid. After entering the email, you'll see an option labeled Admin. This is where you decide the level of access you'll provide. Clicking Admin will allow you to give the individual the highest level of access possible. But it's important to note you'll still retain ownership and control over your account. The next step is to select the services you want them to manage. You can be specific about what they can access by choosing only what's necessary for them to perform their duties. This targeted access helps protect your account while enabling them to effectively assist with your site. Finally, review everything to ensure all details are correct. Once you're satisfied, click the Grant Access button. A confirmation should pop up, indicating the new permissions have been granted. And that's it! You've successfully shared access to your Hostinger account with a web designer or developer. Remember, you can revoke or change their access at any point by returning to the account sharing section if necessary. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you manage your Hostinger account with ease.